Alright. Sige. Alright. So, wow. Congratulations for coming over. Thank you. This is Total Takeover Team Pilipinas. Alright. So, kaya po, ang salita po natin ay Tagalog or at least Taglish. Okay. So, napakadali pong intindihin ito. But again, just to make sure na mas magiging madali pa is I'm going to create this uh, live webinar and translating everything in Tagalog, okay, or in language or in English na we can easily understand. All right, so Total Takeover is here. Are you ready? All right, so ito po yung malaking tanong. And I have been preaching about this. I have been telling people about this. Success is not manipulated, no? Hindi po yan darating kung hindi kayo handa. Alright, and I myself have experienced this. I have been running after success for so many years in my career of marketing, specifically in network marketing. 16 long years ko po yung hinabol, pero hindi po ako naging successful. No? And until the time that I am ready. Alright, nung na-ready na po ako because of the trainings, because of all the hardships, the failures, the pain. Okay, little did I know that I was being prepared. So when the time come, 2012, the time ready, exactly the same season of January 2012, I pioneered something like this, something online, and I was ready. Then, yun na po, dumating na lang po yung success and it's overwhelming. All right, so the question right now is, are you ready to be successful? Kaya mo bang i-handle? Why? Because I've seen people na naging successful pero nasira. Believe me, I've seen them. Alright, nakahawak ng pera, nakatikim ng kotse, nakabili ng kotse, etc. Nag-down. Alright, nangutang para magkakotse, etc. Nagkaroon ng konting pera and believe me, it didn't work. No? They became even worse when they started. No? So, that's why the question is, are you ready? Success is something, it has a very big responsibility. Hindi po ito tipong akala mo pag may milyon-milyon ka sa bangko, successful ka na. Kung hindi ka handa, believe me, baka pagsisihan mo. Alright, so the question now is total takeover. No? We will take over this poverty, we will take over these financial problems, pero ang tanong, are you ready? Alright, so what happened? 3 bright people, alright, na mga legends na po ito sa industriya. Um, si Val Smith, yung nasa kanan po, yung may shades. So he's actually a legend of MLM. He earned millions of dollars in this industry. He's a well-known trainer. His passion is to teach people. Alright, siya po yung isa sa mga founders and owners. And Wallace Nuanes and Dave Lear, mga brains po yan pagdating sa online marketing. So they combined, no? And to answer for this very big challenge na meron po tayo lahat. Sa industriya po ng marketing or specifically online marketing or network marketing, napakalaki po ng void. Okay? Napakalaki po ng pagkukulang dito. Ano po yon? Most people are not making money. Okay? Napakarami nyo po kasi ma-encounter. There sa online, sa internet, offering you a lot of things, promising you a lot, pero wala, hindi ka naman talaga kikita. Alright? So, yun po yung kanilang nakitang solusyon. Actually, this program is a solution to this, no? Mas marami para ho yung buwan kaysa yung perang papasok. Alright? So, a lot of months, wala naman talagang pumapasok. Minsan meron, minsan wala. So, wow. That's something na we will definitely solve in this program. So, where is the industry going? Sa panahon po ng microwave marketing. Alright? In this age, ang gusto po ng tao ay instant success. Alright? Gone are the days na you want na after 5 years ka pakikita. Okay, I've been involved in traditional business and believe me, it's true na you won't be earning in 3 years. Yung puhunan mo, you'll get it back probably, swerte ka on the 5th year. Alright, hindi na po ngayon, people want it fast, people want it instant, no? At sa ayaw at sa gusto po natin, including myself, I thought, okay, enough na yung may ginagawa ka ng parang na-enjoy ka or something. Alright? Hindi po. People are looking for something. Actually, people are looking for the money. Alright? And yun po yung na-realize ko. Alright? That more and more people are looking for this. At ang hinahanap po talaga nila is, please show us the money. So yun po yung nakita ko, and this is what I've seen in this program. Alright, sa panahon po ng ngayon na ang mga tao is fast and furious, no? Gusto nila kaagad. They want it now. So ito na po. Ito na po yung inaantay natin. And people are not looking for the nickel and dime programs, and I've tried this na for every something na magagawa mo online, you earn 50 cents. Alright, and tuwan-tuwa ka na nun, isi-share natin na I earn $3 today. Alright? Hindi na rin po yan ang hinahanap ng tao. No? They want this, no? The masses demand a company with a low startup cost. Alright? Maliit lang. Pwede ka na makastart. Alright? Pero smoking hot, high-end residual, meaning residual income on a month-to-month basis, on a year-to-year basis, continuous siya dire-diretso. Right? I don't know about you, pero I have experienced that, no, na ang laki-laki ng income mo sa simula, pero after 2 months, 3 months, or after a year or 2, nawawala. Kung walang magbabayad, walang papasok, walang customer, hindi ka kikita. Alright, so ito na po yun. So this will actually solve it. So what these three geniuses, Val Smith, Dave Lear, and Wallace Nuanes did, sabi nila, ibigay natin yung gusto ng mga tao. And when I met them, I actually met Val online, and we have been talking through Skype. And sabi niya, Kiko, ito, we will get you and your group, and we will help you. Alam namin yung gusto ninyo. Alright, so let's give them what they want, an executive income with low operational cost. Kita ng isang executive, no? In the US, when you talk about executives, they're earning hundreds of thousands of pesos, no? I-peso value na po natin, they're earning 200, 300,000 pesos per month. So, yun ang ibig sabihin na executive income. Alright, so ganun din po yung pwede nating makuha dito sa program na to. We actually can earn that much, no? So are you ready? Yun ang tanong ko po sa inyo. If you start earning 200, 300, $500,000 per month, are you ready? All right? And with low operational cost, like any other business, lahat naman po ng business mayroong operational cost. Pero ito po, sobrang baba. Halos isang gabi lang sa isang first class restaurant. Alright, yun lang pong operational cost mo for 1 full month. Alright, let's say kumain kayong pamilya sa isang first class restaurant. Yun lang po ang operational cost nun. Alright, and a marketing system that gives them the ability to explode any home-based business on demand. Alright, any home-based business on demand. So this program is not exclusive. Alright, so we're not talking of total takeover lang. If you're a part of any network marketing, multi-level, direct selling, or any other business that you want to operate online, believe me, this program is for you. Alright, hindi po ito seloso na programa na pag sumali ka dyan, tatanggalin ka. Alright? So this is a program na anybody can come in because the products will definitely be of help. Okay, makakatulong po sa kahit na sino. So if you're part of this company and you feel like kulang pa yung ginagawa mo, this program will help you. Alright, so napakaganda po. So any home-based business on demand, pwedeng gamitin. And what they did is they created this world-class lifestyle program that we can gain instant access to information personally utilized by 6 and 7-figure money earners on a daily basis. Okay, gumagana po itong kanilang ginagamit. And as a matter of fact, it's giving them 6 to 7 figures. Alright? Tinitingnan ko lang po yung ano ba yung 6 to 7 figures sa Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, $100,000 sa 6 figures on a daily basis. Ito po kaya nilang gawin to. Alright? Ano yung mga products nitong programa? They have one-of-a-kind step-by-step video tutorial. So, ituturo po sa atin. Ito po yung mga legends na talagang nakagawa na. So, if you want to learn basketball, wag na po tayong magtanong doon sa mga amateur na naglalaro lang sa kanto. Why not talk to Michael Jordan and talk to him about basketball? Paano niya ba ginawa? Ito po yung mga tao na yun. They are the gurus. They are the legends of this industry. Ituturo po nila. And full-blown marketing system complete with lead generation, lead contact manager, customizable capture pages, and tracking statistics. And actually, if you sign up, makikita nyo po, meron na po niya mga yan. Kasama po yan. And as a matter of fact, sa tagal po namin sa online marketing, hindi po yan libre. Alright, binabayaran po yan. And that's why it's provided in this program. Alright, makaka-capture nyo po yung mga nag-i-inquire sa inyong program, hindi yan nawawala because you get their information. Nakukuha nyo po yung email, yung kanilang telephone numbers, their names, etc. It's captured. Kasama po yan sa mga products na may enjoy natin dito sa programa na to. And special bonus because of Val Smith. Again, sinabi ko kanina, his passion is to teach people. He now wants to build a legacy. So, ibinababa niya na po, no? So, ang passion niya po is magturo sa tao. And he's somebody who already made it big. Right? He earned hundreds of, I don't know, millions of dollars dito sa industriya. And if I heard it right, he has about 17 houses. And I don't know, I think more than 10 sports cars. No? Okay, these are material things. But again, ito yung mga nagpapatunay na these people know what they're doing as far as creating wealth is concerned. Alright? Wealth is very important. Kailangan lang po nating malaman kung saan ito makukuha. And right now, guys, we will be working with these people. Yung nakakuha na. So, hindi na ito manghuhula. Baka dito. Try natin dito. Alright? So, Val Smith will bring in his audio magazines, mga top MLM legends and industry leaders, and their untold trade secrets. Okay, mga interviews po yan na sila lang ang nag-usap for this purpose, for this audio magazine na i-reveal sa atin. We will have access to these audio magazines. Alright, so again, if you really want to be great in this industry, you should have that passion to learn from people who already made it. Believe it or not, yung po talaga yun. Wala po ritong soloista na ako ang bahala, ako nakakaalam. Gagawin ko yung alam ko. Alright. So dito po, ituturo na sa atin. Hindi ka na maghuhula. And he's also planning to have live monthly interviews with top industry leaders like Jack Zofelt, Ray Higdon, Todd Falcone, Larry Winget, and so many others. All right, so he will get them in a webinar room and he will let us access all the members. Then we can ask them what they're doing. All right, so if you're part of any traditional network marketing or traditional marketing, these are the people you would like to ask a question about because these are the made people already. So kasama po yan, Legends VIP Network sa products natin. Okay, so sorry. So ito po yung every internet marketing stream. No matter what company you're in, you can dominate the leaderboard with these products. Okay, yung mga produkto natin, mapapakinabangan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Like myself po, I also own a network company and we're launching new products very soon. So I'm very excited kasi magagamit pa ho namin yung matututunan ko rito. Alright, so, and believe me, pwede nyo rin po gawin yun. Alright? Alright, and this is a bonus. Again, the bonus part is there's a powerful two-step marketing system that will put our primary business on autopilot. Okay, yung autopilot po yung primary business natin. Okay, so ang mangyayari po is we will shift into prosperity consciousness. Yun lang po yan. Tama na po yung pag-iisip ng kahirapan. Tama na po yung araw-araw iniisip mo kung bakit ka mahirap, bakit ka palpak, bakit hindi mo magawa. Tama na. From now on, we will focus on prosperity. We will focus on what we can do. We will focus on the things that we want to have, no? And forget about the reasons why you cannot have it. No, sama-sama po natin pagtutulungan yan. And I, as one of your leaders, believe me, I have learned a lot. So I'm so willing to share din po sa inyo kung ano talaga yung wisdom behind all this prosperity and success. Para saan po ba yan? Alright, so the shift will be from the basement to the penthouse. Yun po ang ating tututukan ngayon, and yun po ang gagawin natin this year, 2015. If you're now in the basement level, every one of us will go to the penthouse and enjoy life to the fullest. Alright, so there is a compensation plan for this. Sorry. Alright. If we refer this program to a lot of people, which is ganun naman po talaga how subscription works. Alright, so we're using this platform, the referral program. You have the opportunity to get paid on 2 different pay plans at the exact same time. So 2-in-1 po siya. Alright, so this is very familiar to me. And believe me, this works big time. And lalo pa because this is an enhanced po ito. Believe me, this is not only going to work big time, this is going to work permanently. Alright, so gone are the days na may kita ka ngayon, after 2 months, wala. Gone are the days na may kita ka in 1 month, on the 3rd month ulit, on the 5th month, 6th month, wala, 7th month, wala, 8th month, meron. Gone are the days. If you start earning on the first day, you'll start earning forever until you want. Okay, ang mahalaga lang po dito before I go to this compensation plan is all of us commits to make this happen. Alright, wala pong kahit na anong magandang programa na pag hindi committed yung mga miyembro, wala pong magiging successful, believe me. So ito lang po ang sinasabi ko, and sasabihin ko paulit-ulit, all of us commits to make this happen. Alright, if you commit, I commit, 10 of us commit, 100 of us commit, 1,000, 200,000, 1,000,000 of us commits, believe me, all of us will be successful in this program. If all of us commit. Alright, pay plan number 1. You will be in profit with only 2 people coded to you. Coded means ikaw yung personal na nakasponsor sa kanya. Alright? In profit ka na. In profit meaning balik na yung puhunan mo. If you think like puhunan yung unang nilabas mong pera, if you're a business conscious person, sa dalawang taong ma-refer mo to this program, you're already in profit. Weekly payout. Alright? So hindi na, gone are the days na you have to wait for 7 days. You have to wait for 15 days, 30 days na follow-up ka na ng follow-up, wala pa yung payout. Every Wednesday is payday. You see it in your back office. Then you withdraw. All right. After the system is in place, we will have another session for that kung paano po tayo mag-pay out, paano mag-withdraw. So Val Smith and his team are working on a program for us, especially as mga Filipinos. Sinabi ko na po sa kanila yung concern. But for most, of course, the payout and pay-in will always be through debit or credit card, Visa, MasterCard, debit or Visa, or debit or credit cards. No? Napakadali naman pong kumuha na niyan dito sa Pilipinas if gusto. No? And of course, we have been sharing sa grupo kung paano, ano yung mga magaganda mga bangko na pwedeng magamit. Okay? Compounding residual income like you have never seen before. Okay? Compounding meaning palaki ng palaki na residual income. Alright? I don't know about you, pero hindi ba napakasarap nun na the day you start, then after a year, mas lumalaki pa ng lumalaki yung income mo. Kaya I've joined companies na malaki lang sa simula, pero month after month, nawawala na. Okay, so hindi po mangyayari dito yun, believe me, if all of us commits to the program. All right, residual income, you get paid $45 every 30 days from all members on your pay line. Meaning, lahat ng member na ikaw ang nakasponsor, Every 30 days, you get $45 from them. Okay? So, halimbawa lang po, naka-sponsor ka ng 10. Okay? So, okay, meron po itong pass-up system, no? Mamaya madadaanan ko, pero for this example lang, halimbawa lang, naka-sponsor ka ng 10. Alright? So, that's 450 US every month from that 10. So, 41 pesos na lang po. So, you have at least 18,450 per month sa 10. I don't know with you kung hanggang 10 lang ang kaya mong ma-refer sa program. Please, grabe po. Napakaganda ng programa and napakaganda ng reception. Everybody wants to be part of this program. Alright? Ito po yun. So, this is how it works. Pay plan number 1. Okay? So, your sponsor. Nasa taas mo and you. Okay, halimbawa po, pumasok si Sam, no? So, you were able to invite Sam in this program. So, Sam will give you, or you will earn $45 from Sam. And then there is Sue. Okay, the system is called, pay plan number 1 is 2-up system, meaning yung second and fourth mo will be passed up to your sponsor. Okay, sa mga previous pass-up system po, wala kang kita dyan. Pero in this program, hindi po. The $45, alright? Wait lang ho, mukhang... Okay. sorry. Okay. Yung kay Sue, medyo lumampas po, no? Lumampas yung napabilis yung click ko. Meron kang $20 doon. Alright? At ang $25 na punta kay sponsor. And si Mary, na pass up mo, meron ka ring $20 at yung $25 pumunta naman kay sponsor, no? And si Bill, you got $45 kay Bill, okay? And every person from the 5th onwards, $45 na po yan every person. Alright, ulitin ko lang po, medyo nagloko yung PowerPoint ko. Si Sam, pumasok sa'yo, you earn $45. Si Sue, pumasok sa'yo, you earn $20. Na pass up kasi siya, pero si sponsor receives $25. Si Bill, yan ang third mo, you earn $45. Si Mary, siya yung fourth, na pass up siya, you earn $20. And the sponsor earns $25. Fifth, sixth, up to infinity, you earn $45. And kaya po tinatawag yung may word na residual. Residual meaning every month. Alright, so isipin nyo po yan, with this number of people, with 6 people coded under you, alright, meron ka pong $225 every month as long as everybody is committed. So that's already 9,225 pesos every month. Okay? Pero wait, because si Sam, si Bill, 5th, 6th, 7th onwards, they will also, since ikaw ang sponsor, katulad ng sponsor mo sa taas, they will also give you 2 each. Okay, so lalaki pa ho yan. Let's say si Sam nagpadala sa'yo ng 2, so may $50 pa yon. Si Bill nagpadala sa'yo ng 2, may $50 pa yon. 5 and 6 nag-pass up sa'yo ng 2, may nag-50 yun, so may $100. So let's say, dire-diretso pa ho yan up to infinity. Every direct referred members mo, ipapass up sa'yo yung kanilang second and fourth na makaka-receive ka ng $25 each. And lahat na na-pass up sa'yo, kunyari ito ikaw si sponsor, no? Sue and Mary, yung kanilang 2 and 4, okay, sa'yo na rin ipapass up. So kaya po ito tinatawag na infinity pass up. Wala po itong katapusan. As long as everybody is getting more subscribers. Alright? So ang tanong before ganito paano kung na-saturate na? Paano kung lahat miyembro na? Alright, ito maganda. Dito po hindi matatapos kasi meron tayong monthly subscription. So kahit na-saturate mo na yung buong mundo, okay, let's say you're already earning 1 million a month or 2 million a month, every month yan, kahit buong mundo miyembro na. Every month, everybody pays. So every month, you earn 1 million or 2 million a month. So hindi mo mauubos. Pero again, there's no such thing as saturation. As I speak right now, libo-libong tao po ang pinapanganak. Libo-libong 18 years old ang nagse-celebrate ng birthday ngayon na naghahanap na rin ng pagkakataon para kumita. So, hindi po talaga mauubos yung tao. Okay, this is pay plan 1 pa lang po. Guys, ayoko po kayong lulain sa pera. I've seen this work, believe me. Pero yung nakita ko po before, medyo may limit because one time lang siya. I'm sure Filipinos are so familiar with one time, yun ang gusto natin. Believe me, one-time payments, para sa akin po doesn't really work. Kasi one-time payment, one-time lang commission. After nun, wala na naman. Kayod ka na naman. So, ang mga foreigners po ganito mag-isip, they want residual. Why? Because foreigners love to take vacations. Alam niyo naman po yun. Gusto nila magbakasyon 1 buwan, 2 buwan. Out of the country yan. Alright? With residual income, kahit nakabakasyon sila, every month sila kumikita. Yun, ganun po sila mag-design. So, yun yung mararanasan natin ngayon sa programa na to. Yung pwede kang magbakasyon kahit 1 taon. Alright? Okay, example lang po. If everybody gets 4. Okay, example lang po which is napakaliit. Ako po at this time, I have about 60 direct referred members. I think 66 yung huling tingin ko kanina. 66 direct referred members. Okay, 4 ang pinag-usapan dito. And 2 araw pa lang ho nakakaraan. Alright? Ito po. Okay, sa example lang na lang to, everybody gets 4. Month 1. Okay, yung 2 and 4 mo na pass up yan. So you keep 1 and 3. So 2 times 45, $90. Ito yung sinasabing balik puhunan ka na. Alright, yung 89.95 mo na balik na sa'yo if you get your 4 people in. Alright, let's say you have 1 month to do it, which is very impossible to happen. In 1 day, kaya mo kumuha ng 4, believe me. Alright, in 2 days or even in 1 week, not 1 month. Pero gawin na natin very conservative, busy ka. 1 month ang usapan natin. No? So you are now in profit and pass up qualified. Okay? So meaning you can now already receive pass ups. Kasi meron ka ng 2 na i-pass up. Okay, importante po yun. We need to have 2 na ma-pass up for us to qualify. No? So dapat po talaga maka-4 tayo at least minimum for this pay plan number 1. Okay? You still earn $20 each on both pass ups. So 2 times 20 equals 40. Okay? Yung pinas up mo, hindi naman parang luhaan ka na, naku, sayang naman, wala man lang ako na napalado. No. You earn $20 each person, so that's $40. So add the 90 and you now have 130 from your first month if you're doing this on a monthly basis kung 4 lang ang kaya mo sa isang buwan. Alright, so 130 times 40, sa 41 na lang, that's 5,330. Alright, balik na puhunan mo, meron ka pang sobra. Okay, that's month 1. And month 2, your 2 get their 4. Okay, sila naman. So this is again a multiplication process. All you have to do is to encourage those 4 to get their 4. Ganun lang. Sabi ko nga po, the word here is commitment. Are you committed to make this work? So pag sabi niya, hindi, wala akong time. Okay, please move on to the next. Okay, there are 20, kung Pinoys lang ang gusto mong target, and there are 26 million Filipinos na nagfe-Facebook. Kung Facebook lang din ang gusto mo, huwag kang magtiis sa 1 o 2 na ayaw. 26 million Pinoy. Alright, so 26 million Filipinos, ilan doon ang nangangarap ng financial freedom? Balagay mo lang. Alright? Okay, so tell them to get there for as well. Give them 1 month as well. Kung talagang 1 month, pero believe me, with the rate this is going, believe me, oras lang makukuha to. Or even days. Alright? Okay, your 2 get there 4. Of course, 2 each are passed up to you for a total of 4. Alright, yung 2, kumuha ng tag-4. So, 4 yung na-pass up sa'yo times $25. That's $100 na income mo for that month too. Alright, and add the 130 from last month. Alright, because everybody subscribes every month. So, meaning kikitain mo na naman yung 130 mo. Plus yung bago mong 100. So, that's $230 for the second month or 9,430. Okay, so kung problema ka sa makukunin yung pang-subscribe mo, ayan, kitang-kita naman. It's already there. So, tubong-tubo ka pa. That's month 2. Now, let's go to month 3. Your 4 get their 4. Okay, yung 4 na pumasok. Tiguhan ng tag-4. So, of course, 2 of each are passed up to you for a total of 8. Okay, so nagpa-pass up sila ng tag-2. So, 8 times 25. So, that's $200 from the pass ups. Plus, you add the 230 from the last month. And you now have $430 for that month 3. So that's 17,000 already. Wow. Again, nag-sponsor ka pa ba rito? Hindi na. Remember, yung first month ka lang kumuha ng 4. And what you're doing now is motivating, encouraging, monitoring, supervising everybody to get 4. I don't know about you, pero bakit ka na mahihinto? Okay, we're just pinapakita lang natin dito yung the bare minimum. Alright, so this is 17,000. Assuming huminto ka na sa 4. Month 4, you get your 8, get their 8. Alright, so 16 times 25 na yan. 16 na pass up sa'yo, that's $400. Plus 430 from the last months. Okay, so that's $830 na po yung month 4 mo. Alright, this is 34,000 pesos. Alright, month 5 mo. To your 16 get their 4, so 32 times 25. So that's $800 na po. Alright? So, i-add nyo pa yung $830. That's $1,630 on your month 5. In peso po, that's about 66,000. Monthly na po nangyayari to, ha? And yung month 6 mo, 64, okay, 64 yung na-pass up sa'yo, your 32 gets therefore. Okay, 64 times 25 is 1,600 plus yung 1,630 mo from the last month. 3,230 po ang income mo for the month 6 times 41. This is 132,430. Hindi na po namin kayo sisilawin because malulula na kayo. Hanggang month 7 na lang po. Your 64 gets there for this is 128 people times $25 each. 3,2 plus your 3,230 from the previous month. Everybody subscribing. Why? Why are they subscribing? Because they have the money. And because they love the products. And because they love the system. And because everybody's enjoying. So why will you not subscribe? If you're earning this money, all right, 6,430 times 41, 263,000 is 3,700 too hard for you. Yun po ang tanong ko sa inyo. Napakahirap po ba ng 3,700 ilabas if you have 263,000 for that month? I don't know about you, pero hindi sumagi sa isip ko. Why? So what will happen if you don't subscribe? Okay? You don't earn for that month na you're not active. Simple. Hindi mo nilabas yung 3,700 mo, you don't get your 263,000. Alright, so this is a commitment program. So why not? Kaya wag po kayong matakot na sa subscription. Nakakatakot siya kung hindi ka kumikita, para ka nagre-renta. Alright? Pero for business people, if I'm renting a space for 3,700 and I'm earning 200,000 a month, why not? Kahit increasean nyo pa yan. Alright? And I'm not just, hanggang month 7 lang po ang papakita natin. And again, tulad ng sabi ko, month 7 is too long. Alright? Do this on a weekly basis. So in a matter of 1 month, you're already earning this much, 200,000 plus. And this is only pay plan number 1. Ito pa po ang pay plan number 2. Basahin po maigi. You get paid an amazing $1 per every person in your matrix. Ito po yung 2x10 matrix natin. Whether you personally sponsor anyone or not. Okay, yung mga nagsasabi, paano yan kung wala akong ma-sponsor? Kikita ba ako? Tamad ako mag-sponsor, hindi ako marunong yan. Alright, first, the system will teach you, the trainings will teach you, so do not worry. And second, the answer is, it's okay because you will earn. Every person na malalaglag sa 2x10 matrix mo, so this is a separate pay plan na po. alright, you will earn $1 each person. Alright, sa dami po na pumapasok ngayong pre-launching, believe me, it will probably end to millions of members by January 26. Believe me, mapupuno ang 2x10 matrix mo. Alright, it pays the first Wednesday of every month. So this is monthly marireceive. Okay, ang tawag po ni Val Smith dito, this is allowance money. Why? Because meron po itong limit. Makikita niyo po ito. Okay? Ganito po yan. So, ang level 1 mo sa 2x10, 2 tao lang. Alright? Ikaw man o galing sa upline mo yan, basta malalagay yan because force matrix po ito. The system will fill up all the blanks na nanggagaling sa taas. Lahat ng pumapasok. Alright? So, you earn $1 each, $2, level 2. Okay, 2 tao, napuno yung level 2 mo. 4 na tao, $4, level 3, $8, $16 pababa ng pababa hanggang level 10. Kaya po siya 2x10. Okay? This is 1,024 na tao, meaning for level 10, 1,024. I-add nyo po lahat yung pataas. 2, 4, 8, 16. I-add nyo pataas. It's $2,046. Alright? Every Wednesday of the first month, marireceive mo po yan if your matrix is filled up, which is napaka-imposibleng hindi, especially you are part of this pioneering team, pre-launching team. So, 2,046 sa 41 pesos na lang po, it's 83,886 pesos pocket money. Alright? Sabi nga ni Val Smith, allowance money. And remember, may pass-up system ka pa sa pay plan number 1. So this 83,000 is just for your shopping or grocery or for doing the good things you want to do. No, now you can do all the things, all the good things you want to do. You want to bless people, you want to give to the poor, you want to give to charity. You cannot give something that you do not have. No, this 2015, my commitment is to help people get the money. All right, kasi kahit anong turo po natin na maging generous tayo, na magbigay tayo, if we do not have the money, believe me, it's going to be very challenging. Alright, so kung meron mo tayong dapat pinaghahandaan ngayon, is we should be ready to receive all these material blessings. Why? Again, ulitin ko, if you're not ready, this might destroy you. Alright, this opportunity is designed specifically for you, for me, for all of us. And that's what I love about Val Smith and his team. Sinabi niya talaga sa akin, Kiko, we're going to your country to help you and help your people. Yun ang tawag niya. Because we believe that Filipinos are so good people. Nakita po nila how Filipinos work, how Filipinos unite. Nakita nila na kahit na lahat ng bagyo, lahat ng mga sakuna, and they see Filipinos helping each other. Alright, that is our strength. And dun po sila na-impress sa mga Pinoy. Sabi nila, Filipinos work in groups. And that's the very essence of network marketing. Groups po talaga. Alright, so this is a total takeover. Guys, believe me, ang gusto nila is every single one of us is to be a part of this journey. Alright, so this finishes this short presentation. And please go back to the person na nagpadala sa inyo itong video na to. Alright, and just sabihin mo sa kanya, I want to get started now. And the good news, if you start now, it's free to register and grab your post. Okay? Kailangan nasa loob ka na. Don't wait. Sabi nga ni Val, there's nothing to think about. Ano sabi mo? Pag-isipan ko muna. Please, what are you going to think about? This is positioning. Alright, wala kang babayaran. Anong pag-isipan mo? Alright, come January 26, ayaw mo makuha yung pera mo, then don't subscribe. If ayaw mo makuha yung pera mo. Alright? So guys, I hope I was able to explain this. Pasensya na po sa ubo. Alam po yung panahon ngayon, uso yung mga trangkaso, and I just came from one. So maraming salamat po. And this video is recorded. Sa mga nakikinig po ng live ngayon, so you will receive this copy. You can share. No? So maraming salamat and God bless everybody.